I am now in front of the headquarters of Tokyo Electric Power Company, or TEPCO, the operator of Japan's crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. Crowds of Japanese protesters are gathering on Wednesday, the day after the IAEA published its final safety review report on Japan's plan to release nuclear contaminated water from the power plant into the sea. They're here to oppose the ocean discharge and to express their doubt and concern over the report's reliability.
まず安全基準が間違っている。そもそも。で、海に流す放射能に、例えば総量規制もかけていないし、それから現在やっている濃度規制もあまりにも甘すぎるものです。で、これだけの量の放射能を、大量に海に流してしまえば、将来的に大きな影響を与える可能性がありますから、これはもう許せない。
On Tuesday, the IAEA published its final comprehensive safety review report on Japan's ocean discharge plan, after IAEA Director General Rafael Grossi handed over the report to Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida in Tokyo as the former kicked off a 4-day visit to Japan at the invitation of Japan's Foreign Ministry.
お墨付きのようなね、漁業組合の方、そして地元の方たちがどんなに反対の声を上げても聞く耳を持たない。周りの諸外国がとんでもないって反対しているのに、この日本の国どうなってますか?
On Tuesday afternoon, Grossi stressed at a press conference held at the Japan National Press Club in Tokyo following the IAEA report delivery that the option to discharge the nuclear wastewater into the sea is one made by the Japanese government. The IAEA will have a continued presence at the Fukushima Daiichi plant site to review, monitor, and assess the discharge activities for decades to come, Grossi said, the statement of which was repeated as the chief on Wednesday visited Fukushima to look at the water treatment facilities completed last month at the crippled plant. Japan's government is preparing to begin to carry out its wastewater dumping plan as early as August, multiple local media outlets reported on Wednesday.